All right, everybody, welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to How to University. And today we're going to go over workflows. All right? How to create workflows with Gumroad. All right, I'm going to explain what the workflows are, how they work, and how you can set them up so you can automate what you're doing, all right? So, let's get started. And as always, grab your drinks, grab your snacks, because class is officially in session. All right. Welcome to How to University. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about workflows using Gumroad. All right. And so let me explain what the workflows do. What you're looking at here is the screen. You have published, scheduled, drafts, and workflows. And so right now, we're just going to talk about workflows. All right. And so what a workflow is and what a workflow does, a workflow is something that will automatically send the email out to a follower or subscriber, follower/subscriber, or a customer of yours. So with that being said, I'm going to make a workflow here. Let me just check something out real quick. All right. So I have a product here and I'm going to be deleting that product. But since it's still here, I'm going to make a workflow. Hopefully it'll let me do it based off that particular product. So let me hit the new workflow button, right? When you get you a Gumroad account and you can set up products, things like that, and you want to set up a workflow for that particular product, you click on or followers. It doesn't have to be a product per se, but it could be followers or product, or you can set up a workflow for anybody that you that's in your affiliate program, because you can create affiliate programs where people get a link to one of your products and they could put it on their social media platforms. And if somebody purchases a product from, if the affiliate person puts a link to your product on their post, whether it's Facebook post, Twitter, so on and so forth, and somebody happens to click on that product and they purchase it, then that person will get whatever percentage you set. They can get a percentage of the total of your product. So that's a good way to also have your products being sold as well. But we're going to get away from that for a moment and let's talk about creating this first workflow. So you want to hit this new workflow button and then you got to give it a title. So again, I'm just going to put test product, right? RODUC. And then you got to choose over here, what is this particular workflow going to be toward? Who's it going towards? Is it going for everyone, whether it's a customer, affiliate, or a follower/subscriber? Is it going to be for followers only? Is it going to be for customers only? Or is it going to be for affiliates only? And so for this one, I'm just going to do customer, right? And then you get a list, you get some choices down here, okay? As you can see. And you can get real detailed on the customers. Let me just click something else here. With the followers, you can get some detail with there. And then with everyone, you can have some detail with there. And then with your affiliates, you can kind of give you some detail. But the most detail you can get and real specific is with customers. All right. So for instance, I'm going to hit customers. So this workflow is going to be for customers only. And then I'm going to get a little bit more specific. So customers, the first choice here who bought, I'm going to click on solopreneur success. So anytime a customer purchases that particular product, they're going to receive a new email right away. And we'll go into detail with that. And so you can get more detailed. I'm going to leave a lot of these boxes alone. And the only thing I'm going to mess with right now, and of course you can do as much as you want, as detailed as you want. I'm gonna look at this new customer here. Okay, yeah. So any new customer that purchases this product, they're gonna get a workflow email right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and click add now. After you set up how you want the details that you want, then you click add. All right. And it says no emails yet, and it says add one. So now you're ready to add an email. Okay. So as you look on the side here, you already see that it's going to be for customers only, person who purchased this product here. And right here on the bottom, you can put only send to new customers, or if you leave it, if you don't click on it, so I'm going to click on it, right? So now it could be only send to new customers, right? This right here. But you can do only send to new customers or any customers, period. But this is going to be for new customers only. So I'm going to click that tab there. And now I'm going to go on top and put the number 0 because it's going to be 0 hours after the purchase. So as soon as the person purchases this product, they're going to automatically get sent an email. And then I can, of course, title the email. All right. I can put thanks for purchasing the book. Let's say that. All right. And then here is where you put your message, and you can put any message that you want. You can put thank you for purchasing this book and leave it at that. You can get more detailed and try to keep them engaged and make your customer feel appreciated. And so you can put more details in it. So I might just say, thanks for purchasing this ebook. Be sure to let me know what you think. Or let's see, I'll put something else. Thanks for purchasing this ebook. From time to time, we will be connecting with you to see how you like the book, right? Let's say something like that. And I could just leave it at that, and then I can click publish, right? But before we get into that, let's take a look at this bar here. There's so many different things you can do, and I might add something in here. All right, let me see here. So we can go here. There's bold. You can bold the letters out. You can put it in italics. You can underline certain words or all the words. This right here is the strike through text. So I can, let's say I highlight, let's say I do this. Let's say I say, thanks for purchasing the ebook. The next ebook that you purchase will be, I'm going to put $50, but then I'm going to put 25, right? And so I'm going to highlight $50 real quick. All right. And then I'm going to hit this strike through key, and it'll be like that. So a person might read this and say, thanks for purchasing this ebook. The next ebook that you purchase will be, they'll see that $50 is crossed out and they go 25. And they go, oh man, we're getting a 25, getting $25 off. That can draw in your customers more and for them to be more engaged and maybe expecting or to continue to shop with you, right, as a customer. So that's what you can do with that. The next thing you have on this menu here is the toggle code font. Then, of course, you have the text. Then you have the bullet points, all right, bullet list. Then there's the numbered list. Insert horizontal rule. Toggle quote styling. And you got the hyperlinks. Then you can upload images in your email as well. And then you can also create a button. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and just show you how the button works. But the other things on the menu you can play with, okay? So the way the button works here, you want to start another line. So that's where you want to put the button, or you can put the button right next to it. It doesn't matter where you put it at. So I'm just going to, for example, I'm just going to put it there. I'm going to click this little arrow for the button, right? And there's two things you got to do. You can put some text in because that's the text they're going to see. So I might say, click here, right? I'm going to click this. And I'm going to type in click here, right? And then the next one under it, you got to put a URL or put somewhere so when the person clicks, it'll take them somewhere. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and put my website here. All right, as an example, then I'm going to click on insert button. And so already it brings it over to the next line. All right, so that's cool. Something I learned today. And so now a person can read this here, and then they see the button that says click here. They'll run their cursor over it, and they can click on it, and it'll take them to that site. And then once you have whatever you want, you can also attach files here as well. For this button here, you can attach things to your email. And once you're done, you can preview it. You can cancel it altogether, start over. You can preview it, and whenever you click preview, it's going to send you the email as if the actual customer. It'll show you the same way the customer will see if they were to receive the email. So I'm just going to do that right now, and it brings you back out. But of course, I'm going to go back in. All right. So because we got to publish that, right? So you can save it. And of course, once you save it, it saves it. So you don't have to worry about if you make a mistake or if you get booted out of this page and you're like, oh man, I got to redo this over. You click save, you good. But the main thing is to click publish. So once you publish this, I'm going to click publish. Then it is ready to go. And you just go back over here on the side menu over here and click on post. And now you can see your brand new, first of all, click workflows. And then now you can see your new workflow is created. It says test product, the one we just created. Thank you for the book. And it'll also give you some details. It'll show you how many was sent out. So if customers got it, it'll show you how many of them got it, how many, it'll show you how many emails were sent out to the customers that purchased this. And then it gives you a percentage of how many actually opened it and how many actually clicked on the button that you had set up. All right. And of course, you can go back to any of your workflows and click this little crayon or pencil icon. And you can always change the look or add some stuff to your email. You can get rid of some things. You can add some more stuff to it. And let me go back out of here real quick and come back in. Go back to workflows. All right. You can also hit the delete button and delete it all together. All right. So that's pretty much how workflows work. And you can set as many workflows as you want. Let me see here. You hit that edit button. All right. And it brings you to that page. So now you have this particular workflow here. And then you can go up top and hit add email, and then you can have another one. And you can set how many hours. I forget to tell you about this. You can also set how many hours after purchase. You can put how many days after the purchase, how many weeks, how many months. It doesn't have to be hours. So the first time somebody purchases something, you can have it go out how many days, weeks, months, or hours. Now, again, if I was going to let's say this is my second workflow, besides the first one, which is the initial one that's going to tell the customers thank you and click the button, you can set up another one and you can set it up. I might just say, for example, let me say 7 weeks out, right? Or 7 days out. Let's put it that way. And then I can put another title, type some other information. Maybe I want to attach a file this time. And down here, I can just I don't have to click on unless I just want to, just for the new customers again. So it'll be just only new customers get it, or I'll leave this button. If I toggle it, as you see, now it's for only send to new customers. If I click back on it, then it's going to go out to all customers of this particular product. All right. And so that's pretty much how it works. All right. That is pretty much how the workflow works. So I hope this has helped you out. And You now know how to do it. Again, you can set up workflows for everyone, for followers only, for customers only, or your affiliates only. All right. You can make as many workflows as you want, and you can set them up to how many days out, how many weeks, months out from the time, if it's a customer, from the time they make a purchase. If it's a follower, the next new follower, you can set up a workflow a day after they become a follower or a subscriber. That's pretty much what a follower is a subscriber. So the first day they subscribe to you, maybe the next day you can have an email go out to them just thanking them the next day. All right. And then you can have set up another email to go out maybe 2 weeks out. And maybe you want to offer them a product or something like that if they're just subscribing to you and maybe they didn't purchase anything. All right. So you can also do that. And that's pretty much how how the workflows work. So again, let me know if this is clear to you. Feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you next time. Okay. This is How to University, and class is officially dismissed. I'll see y'all guys later.